everyone, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video for you guys, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take off my makeup, my aftercare after I've taken off my makeup. And as you guys can see, my face is fully baked. I really loved this bit. I'm going to show you guys how I take off my makeup from start to finish. First things first, I'm going to be going to my Goya oil, as you guys can see, and you can use any type of oil, but I like to use Goya oil because I feel like it works well perfectly with my skin and it doesn't make me react and things like that. I'm just going to be putting that on both hands and just rubbing that to my face, and I'm just going to be doing that in circular motions, and this just makes everything easier and way more better for me to take off my makeup. I'm going to take off my lashes, and as you guys can see, it's going to come off, glide off really smoothly. So next, I'm going to be going to this Angel facial wipes, and this is strictly like a makeup wipes. I love to use this Angel wipes because it's really gentle to my skin. I have like really sensitive skin, so I'm always really conscious of all the things I use on my skin, all the products I use on my skin. And as you guys can see, because I already applied the oil, the makeup is going to slide off nicely, as you guys can see. And you just need one wipes for this. Once you've applied the oil to your face, all you need is just one wipes for this part, and I promise you your makeup is going to come off easily. As you guys can see, my makeup is off now and my face is fully clean. I'm going to be going into this simple cleansing water, and I love simple products, and it's really good and tender for your skin if you're a beginner and things like that. I'm just going to put in some of that onto my cotton board, and I'm just going to be using that to clean my face really nicely. And as you guys can see, this will also help me to clean my face more, take off my makeup more. And I advise that every one of you should get this because I feel like it helps in taking off the extra dirt from your makeup. And as you guys can see, I'm done with that one. I'm taking off another dry wipe just because I feel like I still had a little bit of makeup. I'm just going to use that to cleanse my face some more, and that is exactly what I am doing. Next, I'm going to be going into this Nivea Perfect Radiance toner, even toner cleanser, and you can use this as a scrub or wash, whatever you want to use it for. But I love to use this once I'm done cleansing my face. I'm just going to be passing that. I just use it as a scrub, as a wash. That's what I use this for. I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. I'm going to avoid my eyes and my brows as well. I'm going to bring it all the way down to my neck area because I applied makeup on that area as well. And I'm just going to leave this for 10 seconds really, and I'm just going to wash that off. Like I said, I use this strictly for as a wash rather. So I'm going to wait for about 10 seconds. I'm going to take that off, and also I'm going to go ahead to shower just because my body was feeling a little bit too sticky, and I'll be right back. So now that I'm done, my body is clean, my face is really clean. As you guys can see, I have no makeup on my face anymore. Now I'm going to be going into the aftercare of how I take care of my face once I'm done applying makeup, because I feel like once you remove your makeup, you have to take care of your face, whether it's in the morning, afternoon, night, whatever. This is my preference anyway. I'm going to be applying this simple toner, and I love this toner again because I love simple products. It's kind to the skin, it's not so harsh and things like that, and I really love what it does to my skin. It doesn't hurt me, it doesn't have alcohol, I don't feel any tingling feeling. It's just really nice, smoothing, cooling toner, and I'm just going to be using that to clean my face, just to turn my face and clean my face some more. and I'm just going to be doing that in circular motions, as you guys can see. Next, I'm going to be going into my Dr. Rachel Victoria Vitamin C Serum. I love this serum so much. I've been hooked since I got it, and I'm loving it so much. I have another serum, but I prefer to use this. I use this majority of the time. I don't use the other one I have. I'm just going to be using that, applying that all over my face, and bringing that all the way to my neck area as well. I feel like my face needs some vitamin C and some tender care. After all that makeup, I'm going to bring it out to my neck as well. Next, I'm going to be going into my Holy Grail, and this is my Bismid Gluta Whitening Serum. And I love this stuff so much. I love this because it's been helping me take out my dark spots. This is good for dark spots, and it also take out my patches I have on my face. This is what I've been using, or one of the things I've been using, and that's really been helping me as well. I'm going to do a detailed video on how I cleared up my face because my face was really bad. The reason why I even look this way is because it's that time of the month. Anyways, that's not even what we're talking about now. I'm just going to do that. And once I'm done applying that to the areas which I want to apply, I'm going to go ahead to apply some Vaseline lip therapy to my lips. And this is how I remove my makeup and my aftercare of my makeup for my face. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Love you all.